Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to safely remove gel polish using an e-file. First, always prioritize client safety and proper sanitation. Selecting the correct e-file bit is crucial for effective and gentle removal. Remember to maintain a low to medium speed setting on your e-file to prevent heat buildup and potential damage to the natural nail. We'll cover everything you need to know for a smooth process. For effective gel polish removal, a coarse grit carbide bit is often recommended. This type of bit allows for quick and controlled product reduction. When working, hold your e-file parallel to the nail plate, maintaining a 0-degree angle. Apply light, consistent pressure, letting the bit do the work. This technique minimizes friction and prevents any unnecessary heat or damage to the natural nail underneath. Begin by working in small, controlled sections, moving the e-file from the cuticle area towards the free edge of the nail. Your goal is to remove approximately 80 to 90% of the gel polish, leaving a very thin layer. It is absolutely critical to avoid filing down to the natural nail plate itself. This prevents thinning or weakening the natural nail, ensuring its health and integrity. Once most of the gel polish is removed, gently buff any remaining thin layer with a fine grit buffer. This creates a smooth surface without overfiling. Next, thoroughly cleanse the nail plate with 99% isopropyl alcohol to remove any dust and dehydrate the nail. Your nails are now perfectly prepared for a fresh gel application or any other desired nail treatment. Great job!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.